Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today's project is this Opel Corsa GSI, which after 5 years of being abandoned in a storage facility, the owner finally pulled the trigger to take care of it once again. Car on the outside is in rather poor condition, with its gloss black paint being swirled out beyond recognition, and in some areas early signs of clear coat failing are being noticed. Interior is in a bit better shape but still far from perfect, with obvious signs of wear and tear after years of use, so a deep interior detail is a must. Tornado air gun is my to-go tool in every interior detail. Its ability to blow out any dust particles from any interior surface makes the vacuuming step much more efficient. With vacuuming done, it's time to tackle the seats and the carpet. Coach Chemi MZR is the upholstery chemical of choice, followed by steam to help agitate the dirt, making the wet extraction much easier. Coach Chemi Polestar diluted 1:5 with a tiny splash of Green Star all-purpose cleaner to make it a bit stronger is used on all interior panels coupled with steam to ensure a proper deep clean. Finally, the interior is finished and it's time to properly clean the outside and prepare it for the polishing stage. The car did receive a power wash before arriving to me, so that's why it kinda looks okay, but still far from perfect. Like always, I like to start with the wheels and wheel arches. Nothing was left untouched. Door jambs, trunk, which had loads of dirt collected in them from all those years, were thoroughly cleaned. Soap of choice, Scotch Chemie Active Foam, diluted 1 to 10. Nasiol heavy compound coupled with a rotary machine and a medium foam pad for the cutting step did deliver the result I was looking for. Second step with a dual action machine with one step pad using ceramic coating primer by Labo Cosmetica to refine the imperfection from the previous step and lay a primer layer for the ceramic application. As you can see, the before and after are truly amazing. The polished side of the hood looks like nothing before. Headlights had a poor respray attempt and had clear coat oxidation, so it had to be removed. I started with a 400 dry sanding all the way up to 3000. Polishing done, it is time to apply paint protection. For this project, ceramic of choice is F2 metal coat by Nasiol. 6 to 12 months of protection with amazing water repellence capabilities and ease of application, so you can't really go wrong with it. So guys, this is it for this video. The results I think speak for themselves. The car looks 1 million times better than before. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more future content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.